These are my Asian style taco dumplings and they are ridiculously easy to make. Juicy pork, garlic, ginger, chilli and lemongrass pressed into a tortilla, cooked in minutes and then finished with crunchy veg and a dipping sauce. This is our first Asian inspired pork mince recipe of the week and I've got to tell you, this one is very Moorish and really simple to put together. You're going to need yourself some pork mince, obviously, and here I've just got 250 grams and that's a 5% fat pork mince. Obviously you can up these quantities depending on how many you are making, but actually a little goes a long way. Optional to this, you could just have the pork mince, but I like to add some prawns into mine. And here I've just got 5 defrosted, raw, deveined, deshelled prawns. And I'm going to put those into my little mini food processor here. And all we want to do is mince these up. That's it, all done there. And then we want to add that into our pork mince. That's it. To that, a healthy teaspoon of lemongrass paste. I'm going easy today. These are all jarred paste. And a teaspoon there of ginger and garlic paste. A good tablespoon of coriander. 1 spring onion, finely sliced. Optional, 1 small red chilli that I've just chopped up. A few turns of your salt mill. And same again of your pepper mill. Get your hands in and mix that all together. Once that's all mixed together, you're going to need some tortillas. And I'm using these little mini corn soft shell tortillas, but you could use bigger ones, use flour ones, whatever you like. But I think these are just perfect size for nibbling. So get yourself one of those. You want to get some of your mix and you want to spread this all over. Just using your hands, you want to press this out. Now this is going to shrink a little bit, this pork mince. So go right to the edge, and if you want to, you could go a little bit further than the edge. Don't be afraid of it. As I say, you want to pack this out just like so. So as you go right up to those edges, you don't want this too thick either. That is actually quite a thin layer of pork mince. And just repeat that process for the rest of your tortillas. Okay, so I've made 3 of those up, but there's enough mix left there to at least make another 3. So half a pack of that mince is going to make approximately 6 of those, depending on the size of your tortillas. Whole pack, you're going to get plenty out of, so it's really cost effective. I've got a pan here on a medium-low heat. I don't want this too high. I'm just going to give it a couple of little spritzes of some vegetable oil. Get one of your tacos, and we're going to place that meat side down. Listen for that sizzle and let that do its thing. Whilst it's doing that, we're going to make a quick dipping sauce for these. If any of you have been to Itsu before, this is an Itsu style dipping sauce and we love the Itsu dipping sauce. So to this little bowl, I'm going to add a tablespoon of the old Chinese vinegar. Same again of soy sauce. I'm just using a dark soy sauce there. Same again of some runny honey. And then half a teaspoon of sesame oil, about there, and just give that a little mix together. And trust me, that is a fantastic, easy little dipping sauce for these little dumplings. Right, that's us ready to go with that. This is doing well. We're going to give that about another 30 seconds and then we can flip it over. Okay, so I like to just feel this tortilla on the top here and I can feel it's nice and warm. So I know that pork is cooked through. I'm going to flip it over. Oh yeah, look at that. See what I'm talking about? It's shrunk a little bit from the edges. I'm just going to give that another 30 seconds. That's it. That's all there is to it. It is that quick. All we've got to do now is finish these off with a nice bit of crunchy veg. And here I've just got some cucumber. So just go along, placing them in the middle there. Again, you can switch up the veg if you like. I then like a little bit of carrot. There we go. And some spring onion as well. I do like the spring onion. I appreciate some people find that a bit strong. So obviously leave off if you don't want it. And then just top each one with a little bit more of our coriander. Again, I know, another love or hate her. Ooh, I love it. So I'm going to put another little bit on there. And there we have it. My Asian style pork taco dumplings. Let's give these a go. They look amazing. They smell amazing. Let's hope they taste amazing. Of course they will. We've done a great job on these. And guys, if you don't like pork mince, switch it out. Use chicken mince, turkey mince, whatever you like. And if you want a totally different vibe, use beef mince and make these into burger style-y. So make your normal sort of burger patty mix, put it onto your little tortillas there, and then when you flip it over, put a little bit of cheese on it, roll it up, and you can add some shredded lettuce, some pickles, Tommy Cave, French's mustard, whatever you like. Okay, so let's get our dipping sauce. So I'm going to put it on this plate because I know I'll spill it everywhere, and you want to just dive in there. And these have got a really nice crispy now outside, but they're really soft on the inside. That mince has made sure those tortillas stay nice and soft, just like a dumpling would be. Here we go. Make sure you've got a serviette. Wow. All those lovely Asian flavours in there. It's like a cross, because we've got those veggies inside, it's like a cross between a dumpling and like a duck wrap. You know, the crispy duck you get with the pancakes? It's almost got that vibe. I think that's probably the crunchy veg on the inside, but the flavours are knockout of the park. Really, really good. And that chilli I used, it was only a really small one. It's got a hell of a kick to it, exactly as I like it. Excellent. That dipping sauce, guys, it's a winner. If you've ever had the Itsu dipping sauce, I'd say that is as near as damn it to the Itsu recipe for sure. Guys, that's it from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this one. A really quick one for you. As I said at the start of the video, this is our first pork mince recipe of the week. We're going to be using the other half of the same pack of pork mince to make pork larb, which again is an Asian-inspired pork mince, rice, herbs, spices, and once it all comes together, you put it into a nice lettuce cup, and they are absolutely delicious. I really appreciate you watching, and if you're new to the channel and you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share, comment, and hype. You got one of those hype buttons? I'd really appreciate that, and it really does help the channel. I'll put all of the details of today's Asian-inspired pork taco dumplings down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.